Welcome back to Kindergarten. Let's learn.
Have you ever noticed how these giant trees grow? These giant trees grow from a single seed. What a seed? Yes, a seed. What is seed? Seeds are the small parts produced by the plants from which new plants grow. The structure of a seed. A seed consists of three main parts: seed coat, embryo, cotyledon. Seed coat. The seed coat is the outer covering of the seed. It protects the inside of the seed from getting damaged or drying out. Main part of the seed is cotyledon. Cotyledon surrounds the growing baby plant and it is the new plant's food supply. Cotyledon are also called seed leaves. The embryo is the third main part of the seed. It is also known as baby plant. It grows into a new plant when the conditions are right. When any seed falls onto the ground or is planted, it needs the right conditions in order to grow. What conditions? Yes, it needs a proper condition, that is fertile soil, plenty of fresh air, sunlight, and of course water. If the conditions are right, the seed will begin to put out shoots and grow. This process is called germination. Stages of germination in a plant. There are 8 stages of the plant from which it grows from a seed to a big and giant fruity plant. The first, the seed is buried in the soil. The seed absorbs water. In the next step, the seed leaves become soft and open. The root begins to grow downward to find water. The shoot grows upward, reaching for air and for sunlight. Leaves appear on the shoot. The stem grows stronger and more leaves appear. At the last, buds appear and produces seeds into a flower. And we have a giant and beautiful plants and trees. These giant trees give us shade from the hot sun, give us yummy fruits to eat, and clean air to breathe. Let's plant more seeds to make our world green and clean.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.